Good morning, it's Dave from White Wallaby Farm in Limpenwood here. We're going through a process now of soil improvement for new crops that we're putting in. We have over the last 4 years been trying to repair the soil on the property after a heavy contamination with lots of chemical fertilisers and chemical sprays, herbicides, etc. So we're going to get 3 different soil samples here from different areas on the property. These areas mostly have been treated with SoiLife products, lots of microbes, compost, etc., and trying to improve the levels of organic matter. This sample we've got here first up is from an area which has not had microbes applied to it. It hasn't had any treatment whatsoever, and you can see it's quite clumpy. We really don't get a nice soil to be able to plant in. The second section we've got here is from an area which has had microbes applied to it probably 3 or 4 times over the course of the last couple of years, and you can see that it is much better. There's a lot of improvement in that soil, and that hasn't been worked at all. It hasn't been ploughed or anything. That's just how it came up when we dug in with the shovel. So there's a vast improvement between those two. The last sample we've got here is from an area where we have been cropping in the past over the last couple of years, and you might be able to tell there is a slight darkening of the soil there, which is from an increased level of organic matter. So that's really good. We're getting great results with that area as far as cropping goes. We're currently growing turmeric and garlic in there and getting really good results. So there is a marked difference between those 3, and we'll continue to work with these and get the soil as best we can for our intended new crop.